Happy holidays, everyone. Save 20% on my drumsticks, drum pads, hand drums, shirts, and apparel, and more. Go to MrBoomBoom.shop and use promo code HOLIDAY20 to save 20%. All right, we're doing a holiday-themed bucket drumming lesson, and it is for level 1 players. So it's for beginners, and it's nice and simple. In fact, we're using both hands at the same time, so we don't have to worry about sticking and going between right and left. We have 3 patterns to play for this song. The first pattern is all quarter notes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again a little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Count along. Middle edge, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And stop. Very good. Let's move on to pattern 2, which uses quarter notes and 2 eighth notes, like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Play along with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 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 Middle edge, middle edge, middle edge, middle edge. And freeze. Now let's do it again a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Middle edge, middle edge. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And done. Our third and final pattern also uses eighth notes and quarter notes, but we have 4 eighth notes in the beginning, followed by 2 quarter notes. And remember, eighth notes are twice as fast as quarter notes. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Middle edge, middle edge. Middle edge, middle edge. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Very good. Let's do it again a little faster. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 And done. Let's put it all together before we play to the song. All right, here we go. 1, 2, pattern 1, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now pattern 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pattern 3, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 And done. Very good. You learned all 3 patterns for our special holiday song. Now, if you need to, go ahead and pause the video and practice slowly, as I always say. But if you're ready to play now, we can do a drum roll to get warmed up before we start our song. Are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, drum roll. Let's play. All right, we're gonna click our sticks on 2 and 4. 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. Pattern 1, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle edge, middle edge. counting in your head as you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Middle edge, middle edge. Pattern 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Middle edge, middle, middle edge. Middle edge, middle, middle edge. Remember, keep the beat counting in your head. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pattern 3, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 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 You got it, keep it going, here we go. Let's do it again a little louder, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Feel that groove as you play. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Keep it going. All right, get ready. And drum roll. Very good. Now we're going to do it again, and I'm not going to help, all right? You're going to play it all by yourself. All right, let's do it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.